Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile using the Facebook Lite app on your phone. This feature helps protect your privacy and keeps your photos and posts visible only to your friends. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down until you find the option called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to open more options. After that, select Settings. Once inside the Settings menu, scroll down again until you see the option labeled Profile Locking. Now tap on Profile Locking. To continue, tap on the button that says Lock Your Profile. Finally, confirm by clicking OK. Your profile is now locked, which means only your friends can see your full-size profile picture and posts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.